Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to buy Badoo Premium. Now let's begin. Initially, simply go to badoo.com and hit on login right now. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. Now right now, what we want to do is simply buy Badoo Premium. For that, what we need to do is simply go to Profile. And once you're in the profile page, well, initially, you will be in the Plans section. Simply scroll down and you'll see something like Badoo Premium. Well, from here, you can compare the plans as well for Badoo Premium and Badoo Premium Plus. Well, right now, we simply want to buy Badoo, so let's click on Upgrade from USD. Now it's gonna give me two options whether I want to buy Badoo Premium or Badoo Premium Plus. Both of them have their own advantages. In case you want to know about it, simply hit on Compare, that's on the top right. And from here, you can compare the benefits and disadvantages. Do note that you can buy Badoo Premium or Badoo Premium Plus from either your credit card or your PayPal. Simply select whichever one you wish and hit on Continue. Well, I selected PayPal, and do note that I have not added a debit or credit card. If you have not, do add your credit card number right here and follow the prompts. And once everything's okay, simply hit on Agree and Pay Now. Well guys, that's it. That's how you buy Badoo Premium. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time.